What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's episode, we're going to take a look at the Air Jordan 1 Low Zion Voodoo Alternate. I want to give a shout out to two sneaker content creators, He Got Kicks and also OG Trap Jordan. And those guys was really the only people that I saw create content on the possibility these shoes are still available in your local areas. So you know what, I took the chance, listened to their advice, got off my lazy ass and went to my local mall. Checked Foot Locker and JD Sports, they both were sold out. So I shot my last shot at Champ Sports. Lo and behold, they had two pairs still available, one being my size 12. So we went ahead and checked out on that and actually picked up these Zion Voodoos 3 days after the release, day after Halloween. And that's what I have for you today. So let's go ahead and get into this video. Starting with the box, it comes in like a lighter shade of purple. I think it's like a raisin color that they're calling it. You also have that light blue Nike branding on top. And jumping into the sizing tag, it reads Air Jordan 1 Retro Low OG. Colorway is Regency Purple, Vapor Green. Taking a quick look underneath the lid of the box, you do have a stamp code underneath. The shoes do come in this regular standard white paper, as well as they come individually wrapped. Here you have it, guys, the Air Jordan 1 Low Zion Voodoo Alternate. We're gonna give you a quick 360 of the shoe and jump into some of the details of it. Starting with the lateral side of the shoe. Here's a look at the medial side of the shoe. And here's a rear shot of the shoe. And last but not least, you have your outsole. All right, guys, so let's go ahead and jump into this shoe. And we're gonna start from top to bottom. And starting with the sock liner, you have this very nice soft felt material in the sock liner. Well, it's actually a very light hairy suede. And that material also runs into the tongue as well. And moving into your upper side panels, it is also covered in suede, but the texture of this suede is different from the sock liner and the tongue. It's just your basic standard short hair texture suede. Being that it's just a basic standard GR suede, has minimum brushback to it. And the different thing about this Zion Voodoo, that it does have different panels on the shoe. As you can see, we have like a canvas type material on the shoestring eyelet section. And also on the forefoot strap and the mud guard of the shoe is in that canvas textured material. And jumping back into the side panels, that Nike swoosh comes in the black suede material, same as the side panels. And you do have that voodoo stitching theme going across the Nike swoosh, as well as one of my favorite parts on this shoe, and that is the skull that's on the heel counter of the shoe with the little button eye. Very dope design. And that voodoo stitching theme also runs into the forefoot strap as well. And you do have that reverse Nike swoosh on the mud guard, and it comes in like that very light Volt colorway. And another feature that I really like on this Voodoo is that toe box. Most Jordan 1 lows, they have the whole perforation in the toe box. Sticking with the Voodoo theme on this shoe, you actually have like tombstone crosses. I think that's just a dope touch to the overall theme of the shoe. Moving into the lateral side of the shoe, taking a look at the swoosh. Now this swoosh is like a medium hairy suede, very soft to the touch. And taking a look at the medial side heel counter, it has like that Voodoo scratches theme on the back side of it. And jumping to the heel section of the shoe, you have your Air Wings logo in that light Volt colorway, and it is upside down, or AKA alternate. And sticking with that, the whole theme of the shoe being Voodoo Alternates is that it has alternating panels to it. And we'll take a look at that once we get the pair together and you'll see what I'm talking about. But basically, it's the alternate flip side of the shoe. And if you flip the rear heel tab up, you do get an Easter egg underneath with the Voodoo design on the left shoe. And the right shoe also has an Easter egg underneath. We'll take a look at those together here shortly. Jumping up into the tongue, as you can see, we do have that alternate reverse Nike Air tongue tab. Very nice touch to that. And these shoes do come with your cardboard shoe tree. We'll jump into my right shoe, check out the quality on this one. As you can see, it does come with an extra set of laces we'll get into here shortly. Really like that light gray midsole. The contrast between the purples and the blue on this shoe complements well with the light gray and darker gray midsole to outsole. And here's a look at the medial side. Really love that black suede on the toe box. I probably would have been perfectly fine with having more of that black suede throughout the shoe, but very dope design nonetheless. And getting into the laces, it does come with a set of light Volt green laces, as well as a black pair of laces. And it also comes with a light gray pair. And the shoes do come pre-laced with that rope style lace. I think I probably actually leave the rope style in there, but the black and light Volt colors, they do intrigue me. Let me know in the comment section which pair would you rock with this Voodoo 1 Low. And here's a quick look at the insoles that do come with your Voodoo and Zion graphics, and the colors do alternate between the purple and light blue. And here's a look at the rear of them together. As I was stating, the alternate theme, as you can see on the heel counters, you have that light blue on the left shoe, and you have like that purple dark raisin color on the right shoe. And flipping those heel tabs up, you have the Voodoo on the left and Zion on the right. Here's a quick shot at the toe box. Again, alternating panels. You have your light blue and that dark raisin purple. I really like the attention to detail on this shoe. It even goes as much as to change up the button on the skull. On the right shoe, you have like that light blue, and it alternates to the left shoe, has the purple button. Very nice attention to detail. And I think the overall execution of this shoe is very good. In the original Jordan 1 Zion Voodoos, it came in that earth tone color. Very dope pair. I kind of passed on that shoe when it originally released. I was able to cop the Zion Voodoo 2, its basketball shoe. And basically it's the same exact shoe as the Jordan 1 Low Voodoos. Same details, the stitching, the skull. It's just his main basketball shoe at the time. And it's a very nice pair, very comfortable as well. Love the design. And I like the original. Compared to this one, probably feeling this this newest Voodoo a little bit better because it has a darker tone to it. I like the dark purples and the black tones in the shoe, but you can't go wrong with either one in my opinion. Again, I think Nike executed this shoe very well at the price point. It's pretty decent materials on it. The suedes feel decent quality. I won't say the most premium, other than that tongue in the sock line. I love the feel of that suede. And also on the toe box, I just kind of wish that side panel blue probably had a little more hairier suede on it, but I think it's okay as is. But yeah, guys, let me know how you feel about this shoe. Did you pick it up on release date? Was you able to hit on the sneakers app? Again, as I stated when we first started the video out, shout out to those content creators that created the content, that just telling the people that just get out, do a little bit of footwork, check your local spots. They might still have pairs. Because the vibe I was getting from the workers at Champs, it was almost like they was actually keeping the shoe a secret because they didn't have it out on the shelf. And like when I asked the guy, it was almost like he was filling me out to see if I was a reseller. It was kind of weird. The way he was acting is like they had pairs in the back, you know. I won't say a full size run, but they had pairs. So yeah, I say if you're still interested in this shoe, it's not going for much over retail in the third party aftermarket. But I say if you out and about, just stop by your local foot stores and just check. You never know, they probably have pairs in it. It's not that serious when it comes to this shoe, so there are probably still pairs available. But yeah, very nice Halloween themed shoe. I will be keeping this one in the collection and pulling it out, you know, in the winter months and you know, the Halloween season. So very glad to have this pair. But yeah, guys, stay tuned to the channel. More content on the way. I have a lot I need to catch up with, so stay tuned to the channel and keep an eye out on the content that's upcoming. And as always, I appreciate y'all for coming through. Till the next time, peace.